Hi! Welcome back to our classroom. My name is Miss Cora, and in our last class we practiced pronouncing and identifying the letter names in the alphabet. And I mentioned that each letter has a name, and it also represents a sound or sounds. In today's lesson, we are going to practice our letter sounds. And afterwards, we are going to play a fun game called What Do You Hear? Are you ready? Let's go! First, I will say each letter's name, followed by the sound or sounds. Here we go. A or A. B, B. C, K or S. D, D. E, or E. F, F. G, G or J. H, I or I. J, J. K, K. L, O. M, N, O. Or O. P, P. Q, Q. R, S, T, T. U, or U. V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. Great job! Some of those sounds are tricky, but keep practicing and you'll get them in no time. Oh, we have a game to play, don't we? I'm missing something special though. Ready? Yay! These are my special listening ears, and they help me hear the sounds in words. I also have 5 shapes. We have a green triangle, an orange square, a blue star, a red heart, and a pink circle. Now each shape has a special picture to show me and you. Let's begin with the green triangle. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Wow! What do you see? Yes! I see a cat too! It is so cute. Cat. What is the first sound you hear in cat? Cat. Very good. I hear the k, k, k sound first. Excellent. Okay, next we have the orange square. Wow! What picture do you see? Oh! I see a bed too. Very good. Bed. Bed. What is the last sound you hear in bed? Bed. D. D. Yes! I hear the d, d sound last. Excellent job. Okay. We have the blue star. Da-na-na-na-na-na-da. Wow! What is this a picture of? Yes! This is a pig. Excellent. Okay. Pig. Pig. What is the first sound you hear in pig? Yes! I hear the p sound first. Very good. Okay. My favorite, the red heart. Dun, da, 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 la, la. Ooh! Do you know what animal this is? Yes, this is a fox. Ready? Ox. Ox. Very good. Okay. What is the middle sound you hear? What sound do you hear in the middle of the word fox? Ox. Ox. That's correct. I hear the sound. Very good. Okay, friend, we have one more shape. It is the pink circle. Ready? Ta-da! Ooh, friend, what do you see? Yes, I see the sun. Ooh, it's so bright. I need my sunglasses. Ooh, ready? What is the first sound you hear in the word sun? Yes, I hear the sound first. Bravo! Yay! I had such a fun time practicing our sounds today. You did an awesome job, and I look forward to learning with you next time.